My name is Gina Taylor and I'm from Richmond, Virginia. A mother of 3, a grandmother of 4. I love it far more than I loved being a parent. I was unemployed for 6 months and I lived on credit. I had one credit score of 633. So I was referred to a person who did their credit counseling and services, and when I went and met with her, it was great. Paid her my money up front and I got nothing. So going to someone to help me repair my credit when I realized that I needed to get my credit fixed was awful. One day I was driving down the road and the creditrepair.com commercial came on, and I said, what can it hurt? I've already given up through $250 and got nothing. What can it hurt? So I called them, and actually it wasn't the automated system, which I hate. I got a person, which was great for me. The only money they took up front was $13, and that was to pull an Equifax credit report. They gave me my expectations, and it wasn't like the other person had me like, in a couple of months I'm gonna be, they said, we're gonna do this is what we're gonna need from you, and if you do what we need you to do, we're gonna do what you need us to do. We can't tell you that it'll be done in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, but we can tell you that we can get it done. That's a partnership to me. You're working for me, but you're working with me. I loved it. Let me go in and check my credit score. Yes, it's gone up. Creditrepair.com is not just helping me, it's setting the future for my grandkids. And I mean, it's not going up by 5 points or 2 points or 3 points. I actually went from 1 credit score to 3 credit scores with a high of 708. Because of creditrepair.com, I know that next year, the convertible that I've wanted since I was 16, I'll be buying. But I'm gonna get a great car loan and a great rate. What makes me the happiest is I see a good future for my grandkids. Not once have I been disappointed by creditrepair.com. Not once. Everything they said in our initial conversation, everything they told me in our initial conversation, they've been doing. Creditrepair.com charges a little. In my book, it's a little. And they give you a lot. We all go through things, and I need to know that they're still good people. Creditrepair.com has great people working for it to give me the affirmation that I need from a business that they're still good. So thank you. Thank you.